AFEN drink and snack vending machine. Suitable for selling snacks and beverages such as chips, chocolate, etc. Refrigeration compressors. Spiral slots. Widen pickup bucket. The size of the pickup port can be customized according to actual needs. Metal keyboard. Bill acceptor. Coin acceptor. Support local currency. Consult us for details. Machines packaged and ready to ship. Support mass machine customization. What kind of vending machine do you want to know? Do you like this kind of vending machine? Welcome to inquire.